Right, hello. Little while ago, I did a video of a puck, whatever the fuck it's called, Maxi. Couldn't get it going. Posted the video up, bit downhearted, and loads of people commented different things to try, different ideas, what it could be. Video seemed to be quite popular, so I ended up buying that broken, non-running PUCH because I didn't want to let it beat me. So here we are in the workshop and we're going to have another go. So there it is, back in the workshop. Same PUCH. The only difference is I got it last night and it was a bit late to start messing about too much. So all I did was I brought it in and I gave it a little bit of a clean, really. There was some tape and stuff on there, a little bit of grease on there, and I just thought, let's make it a bit nicer to work on. I just had a little experiment to see if I could clean up the fins on this. And yeah, that's where it stands. So today we're going to try some of the advice I was given online. Also, there's some great Facebook groups for these bikes. Like, the people are super helpful. So we're going to try some of the advice I was given and see if we can't, despite the rain, I don't know if you can hear the rain through the microphone, actually take it up the road. So the first piece of advice I was given was check the spark plug. Now, obviously, as you know, this wasn't my bike at the time, so I wasn't going to spend, my money on. I didn't think it would just be a spark plug, to tell you the truth, because I had spark, and this is the original spark plug. I've bought another spark plug, but there's orange on this, so original. This is original spark plug. And let's show you. We have spark. Is that gonna? Whoop! There we go. Look at that. Now, to me, that seems like a really good spark. Who knows? Who knows? But I bought another spark plug, so I'm going to try it. So the original one can go. I bought this cheap compression tester. I was advised to do a compression test, so I thought before I start it all up. So that's just under the 140 mark. So I'm guessing that's okay. I mean, I know that's quite good on a motorbike. I bought this owner's workshop manual. I was hoping this would tell me what the compression should be, but it actually doesn't. So, but anything else further down the line, that's going to help me with. Let's see if we've got any difference on spark. Does that seem a better spark to you? I don't know. I don't know if that's a better spark. You can probably see it a bit better than I can, but hey ho. Let's plug it in and see what happens. So new spark is in. New spark plug is in. Let's see what happens. That's the choke, isn't it? Let's do the choke and a couple of tickles with the old thing. Well, That sounded like it wanted to go. The light's coming on. That's nearly there, isn't it? Let's see. Okay. Oh, maybe not. It would have been nice to just get on it and it go, but I don't think that's going to happen. I'm out of breath. Too old for this shit. Let's give it one more go. Let's try again. Holy shit. New spark plug. It's got lights. Oh, you can see the spark there. Oh, smoky. Now, a buddy of mine used to say to me, it's got a spark, but has he got the right kind of spark? I never knew what he meant. I still don't know what he meant. I couldn't see any difference between the spark, but new spark plugs. From now on, lesson learned every time. New spark plugs. I put the PUCH outside and I thought, I wonder how much it is to insure. Now this is just me. Because cheap bike, bearing in mind I live in Essex, so I've got like the ULEZ and that to think about. So that's ULEZ free. 1977-78 bike. ULEZ free. Lovely. Don't need an MOT. Lovely. So I just typed it into a compare site and £50 excess, £66 if I paid by direct debit, or £58.65 a year. Now, no wonder no people are going over these mopeds and that, you know. 60 quid a year. 60 quid a year. And no ULEZ. That's why they say great fun on small bikes, I suppose. Let's try it out. Right. Let's give it another go. Oh, not much throttle. Ah, this is awesome. 15 miles an hour. A lot of noise. Gotta love a two-stroke. I think we might need to and the kill switch works too. Oh my god. It's pissing down the rain, so that'll do. I rode the bike yesterday and I got to thinking, now I bought this bike. I'd previously told the guy I couldn't get it running. And I bought it off him. Not knowing if I could get it running, but I had a bit of a crisis conscience. So today I thought the good thing to do would be message the guy and say to him, look dude, I got that bike running. It cost a few quid. There was only a couple of little bits. If you want to take the bike back, pay me for the couple of bits I bought, and it's yours. I think that was the right thing to do. Let me know. Let me know what you think. He's a friend. He's turned into a friend. I'd rather keep it that way. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Next time. Fuck knows what's next time. Oh, I know what's next time. You'll have to find out. So like, subscribe, share, comment, little alarm button tells you when there's going to be a video. This one's a bit late, but hey, take care.